How to delete Gmail account from iPhone. This is what I will show you in today's how to video. So, first go to your settings and then find option for account. If you don't find it here, then just type it on search. Then just tap on accounts. After tapping on accounts, go to Gmail and then here you can see there's the option to delete account. Just tap it. Then again you will get an option to delete account. Just tap it on delete from my iPhone. And now your account is removed from your iPhone. But if you want to delete your account permanently, so then go to your Gmail app and then tap on your account and go to manage your Google account. And then go to data and privacy. Under data and privacy, scroll down until you find deleting account option. Here you will find an option to delete a Google service. Tap on it and then they will ask for verification. Right now I don't want to delete my account, so that's why I'm not deleting it, but you can just simply delete it after typing your password. So subscribe to this channel for more how to videos like this.